If I could give you one skill that instantly improves your trading results, it wouldn't be a strategy, an indicator, or a secret setup. It would be discipline. Because discipline is the real edge in trading, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build it and keep it under pressure. Most traders lose money not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't do what they know. They enter late, exit early, revenge trade, over-risk, overtrade, and then blame the market. The truth is simple and uncomfortable. The market doesn't beat you. Your lack of discipline does. I've seen traders with average strategies outperform genius traders consistently, simply because they execute with discipline every single day. Discipline turns ordinary methods into profitable systems and turns good traders into consistent ones. Here's the hard truth. There is no holy grail in Forex. Price moves based on probabilities, not certainty. Your job is not to be right. Your job is to follow your rules. Discipline is the ability to execute a plan regardless of fear, greed, boredom, or recent wins and losses. That's the real edge, because most people can't do it for long. If you're already seeing value, take a second to like this video and subscribe, because this channel is built for traders who want consistency, not hype. Let's break this down with a real example. Two traders use the same strategy with a 50% win rate and a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. On paper, both should be profitable. Trader A follows the plan exactly. Trader B moves stop losses, closes winners early, and doubles risk after losses. After 100 trades, Trader A is up significantly. Trader B is either flat or blown. Same strategy, different discipline. That's not theory, that's reality. Discipline starts with clarity. If your rules are vague, your discipline will be weak. "I'll enter when it looks good" is not a rule. A disciplined trader has clear entry criteria, fixed risk per trade, predefined stop loss and take profit, and a maximum number of trades per day. When the rules are clear, execution becomes simpler. When execution is simple, discipline becomes possible. Now let's talk about risk, because discipline without risk control is fake discipline. Professional traders think in percentages, not money. Risking 1% or less per trade protects you from emotional spirals. When risk is small and consistent, losses don't hurt enough to push you into revenge trading. If you want discipline, your first discipline rule is non-negotiable risk limits. Never increase risk to make it back. That one habit alone destroys more accounts than bad strategies ever will. Another powerful discipline tool is accepting losses before they happen. Every trade you take should already be considered a loss mentally. That mindset removes attachment. When the stop loss gets hit, it's not a shock, it's the cost of doing business. Casinos don't cry when someone wins a hand. They understand probabilities. Traders must think the same way. Let's escalate this, because knowing this isn't enough. Discipline is not motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline is a system. You build it by designing your environment to make bad decisions harder and good decisions easier. Use trading checklists. If all conditions aren't met, you don't trade. Remove the temptation to overtrade by limiting your screen time. Set alarms for sessions instead of staring at charts all day. Boredom creates bad trades, and discipline protects you from boredom. Journaling is another discipline accelerator that most traders ignore. A proper trading journal doesn't just track profits and losses, it tracks emotions, rule violations, and decision quality. When you see in black and white that your biggest losses came from breaking rules, something clicks. Discipline grows when consequences are visible. If this insight is hitting home, comment below "discipline" so I know you're serious about leveling up. Now let's talk about consistency, because discipline is tested over time, not in one good week. You don't become disciplined by being perfect, you become disciplined by being consistent. Missing one trade doesn't matter. Following your rules over 100 trades does. Focus on process goals, not money goals. A process goal is, "I will follow my rules on every trade this week." A money goal is, "I must make $500 today." Money goals create pressure. Process goals create discipline. Here's another escalation most traders aren't ready to hear. Discipline means knowing when not to trade. There are days when the market doesn't fit your plan. A disciplined trader sits on their hands. An undisciplined trader forces trades and gives profits back. No trade is a position. Sometimes the most profitable decision is doing nothing. Discipline also requires emotional regulation. You are not your last trade. A win doesn't make you a genius, and a loss doesn't make you a failure. When you attach your identity to results, discipline collapses. Detach. You are an executor of a system, not a fortune teller. That mindset shift alone can save your account. To make this practical, here's a simple discipline framework you can apply immediately. First, write down your exact trading rules: entries, exits, risk, and limits. Second, fix your risk at a level that feels boring, because boring is sustainable. Third, use a checklist before every trade. Fourth, journal every trade honestly. Fifth, review weekly and measure rule adherence, not profits. Do this for 30 days and your discipline will improve whether you feel motivated or not. Let me be clear, discipline is not easy. If it were, everyone would be profitable. Discipline feels uncomfortable because it goes against human nature. Humans want excitement, certainty, and instant rewards. Trading rewards patience, probability, and delayed gratification. The traders who accept this reality early are the ones who survive and thrive. If this video is helping you see trading differently, share it with a trader who needs this. Sometimes one mindset shift can save years of frustration. And if you want more content like this, real trading psychology, real discipline frameworks, and no fluff, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Let's close with this. Discipline is not something you wait to feel. It's something you practice. Every time you follow your rules despite fear, you strengthen it. Every time you break them, you weaken it. The market doesn't care how smart you are. It rewards consistency, patience, and discipline. Build those, and your edge will compound over time. Like the video if you learned something valuable, comment your biggest discipline challenge below, and share this with someone who's serious about trading. This is how disciplined traders are built, one decision at a time.